Welcome to Sin Sounds. Today in this video, I will show you how I remade the Kendrick Lamar All Stars. Yeah, guys, actually, I like this song very much, so I decided to recreate it on the FL Studio. So, it's a kind of African trap beat style. So I don't have actually the African percussions. So I just mixed and EQ'd and a lot of I did a lot of things in the samples to make a little sound like African percussions. Yes. So we have it, and then finally I got the sounds which should actually be in the song. Yes, I I mostly I mostly recognize the sound I like in the song is this note is it's a kick, low kick. Oh, sorry, high end kick. That's percussion I like. Yeah, when you listen to my drums, it sounds like this. Yeah, when you listen to in a whole song, it becomes very amazing. And let me see the chords. Yeah, this is the chord of this song. I think it is correct. Yeah, adds very space to this song. Yeah, here is also the layer of this variation. And another, as we proceed, we got the very huge change in the song. this is just not a very huge project I created. I just created the main foundation of this song, and so why don't I upload and let you know about this project. Dear friends, and mixing of this song is not a very complex. Yeah, I have to just EQ little bit the kicks, snares. Yeah, and this is vocals from vocal pack and chant. Yeah, this is it. Okay friends, that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe and make music. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment.